And hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's video we will be doing this inspiring makeup look right behind me by Pinterest. So as you guys see, I did one side of my face to show my look. Got it. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your dinner. So tap on that screen, everybody. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap. So if you guys want to see this full look, tap on that screen for me. Show your girl some love. And our goal is to get up to 12,000 subscribers. That is the goal. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. So we're going to do the eyebrows first. I'm going to use my Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. I usually use the dark brown color. I'm going to use it to fill in my brows. Hello, Miss Yvonne. Thank you for liking my live. You're welcome. Okay, so I'm going to use my other eyeshadow palette, which is called Draw Me Rainbow. I'm going to use the color pink and purple and green. So as you guys see the model right behind me, I'm going to use the color Romance, which is this darker pink. And I'm going to, first I got to do my brows. I keep forgetting doing that. So I'm going to use my concealer Acorn by Nicka K. I'm just going to apply a little bit to have an arch. And I'm going to Jermaine Lindo request head help successful. I don't understand what you meant by that, Jermaine. And I'm going to blend out my concealer. And then we're going to go with the Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the color Romance, which is the color pink. And I'm going to kind of like outline it a little bit. And draw it out. And then next, I'm going to use the color purple. So I'm just finding my little blend brush. The purple is called Harmony. I'm going to use that purple. And I'm going to apply it like towards the middle or the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just going to blend that out just a little bit. And then next, I'm going to use this pretty glitter green. It's called Nature. So I'm going to use a little bit of that green and I'm going to apply it right here in the inner corner of my eye. So I'm just applying it like that, like the model. And then I'm going to go back with the Nude Me eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the color Excitement. It's kind of like that shimmer color that the model is wearing in the inner corner of her eye. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to apply it right in the inner corner. So I use two different eyeshadow palettes by I Envy Kiss. So if you're interested, please go to their website. It's ivyusa.com. These are all the products that I'm using in today's video. The makeup palettes, Make Me Nude, and Draw Me Rainbow. So these are the two eyeshadow palettes. So if you're interested, go to ivyusa.com. And my favorite part is drawing my wing. This is Ruby Kiss's long felt pen in the color black. So we're going to use our guide of our endpoint of our brow. And I'm going to draw this wing out. And it goes on very smoothly, as you guys can see. It's a long filtered pen. It's really nice. I like this pen. It's waterproof black. So if you're interested, go to Ruby Kisses, which is ivyusa.com. Now my favorite lashes is going to be the Marquise Crystal Glow. This is IM's newest lash line. These are how the lashes look. So it gives it more volume. It's not too thick. It's very light. So as you guys see how light it is. So you don't have to worry about how thick the rim of the lash are. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of my lash glue, which you guys know is the 3D adhesive in the color clear. They do make black, but I love the clear one. This is the only glue that doesn't irritate my eyes and it doesn't pull my lashes out. So I'm going to use my fingers. So I'm going to go as close as possible to my lash line and apply it. So I'm just going to hold my fingers down and apply that glue. And that's it. And then we're going to use my Cool Cafe Concealer 2-in-1. And I'm going to go under. So I need to make my wing liner a little bit longer, like I have it on the opposite side. And then next I'm going to use my Nicka K06. This is color 10. I'm just going to apply a little small amount. You don't need that much. I'm just going to wipe it off. And I'm just going to apply one here and there. That's it. And then I'm going to use my favorite primer spray. But also, make sure you have your face primer. I already applied some. I'm going to do it again. So this helps for the makeup to not cake or have your skin look very dry. So it just helps keep the moisture in. And I'm going to spray my e.l.f. primer grip spray onto my brush. It's a light mist. And I'm just going to blend out that foundation and concealer. And I'm just blending right under my eyes. And then I'm just going to come down just a little bit. And then as you guys see, it's not a lot of makeup. It's not very cakey. And I'm going to apply a little bit of my darker concealer around my lip area on this side. And then I'm just going to blend it out. And then we're going to use Kiss Professional Blush number 1. So this don't explode. It's like it's, I don't know. But this is Ruby Kisses Blush. And this is 01 Lovely Lily. And I'm going to blend that in. So it's very light. You can't really tell. It's just like a little shimmer. And then I'm going to go back in and make sure that that green eyeshadow is showing. And I'm trying to see, should I add a little bit of this nude? Yep, that worked out. So, what do you guys think? Did I nail this look of this model here? So I did add the purple. It's just how the purple kind of looks. but I think I nailed this look. I nailed it. I really like it. What do you guys think? Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. The goal is to get up to 12,000 subscribers. Also follow me on my Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Thank you, Miss Yvonne Ward. Thank you. Also follow me on my personal, Sexy Riri _93. And follow me on TikTok, Transformation by Celeste. And thank you guys for tuning in. And I will see you guys in my next live. Sorry that I didn't see you guys this morning. But I'm here now. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.